Hello everybody, it is Nikki Chanel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video is just a quick, easy male to female feminizing makeup tutorial for all of my trans girls out there that struggle with makeup. Now, I love doing makeup, I love making YouTube videos, and I love making makeup YouTube videos. However, a lot of my other videos don't do very well, so if you like this video, please consider going and watching the other ones in this playlist right here. Now, let's get into the video. However, there is some new filming techniques that I did in this video, as well as some new editing techniques to try to get the engagement up a little bit more because we have Halloween makeup tutorials coming up. And I am super excited for all of the Halloween looks I'm doing. I'm not gonna give away any spoilers, but it's going to be fun of them, and I think there's gonna be like 4. Now, please consider liking and subscribing. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. I'm going to begin with eyeshadow to start, because if I mess up, I can use foundation to clean it up. Using the Honey palette by Urban Decay, I use the color Sting and blend into the outer eye. I use the color Keeper to blend into the inner eye and also use it for my under eye color. I blend both colors with amber for a nice clean look on my upper eye. Using orange lipstick, I color correct to hide my 5 o'clock shadow. Blending in with my fingers for a smooth finish. I blend MAC Cosmetics Longwear Foundation with a beauty sponge, creating a nice smooth finish across my face. I use my MAC Cosmetics concealer to accentuate my face. Using a beauty sponge, I blend in the concealer. I proceed to do my eyebrows, accentuating them with MAC Spiked Eyebrow Pencil. Using my bronzer, I move into contouring, creating a 3 on both sides of my face. Using Anastasia Starlight Highlighter, I fill in the areas that I put concealer to brighten those areas. I then use setting powder to blend in all of my face to create an even, smooth look. I'm moving to some finishing touches by using Hourglass highlighter on my cheek to give it a fun pop of glitter. Using some eye glitter, I brighten my eyes. Moving on to my lips, I use MAC Cosmetics Whirl Lip Liner to give myself a 1-minute lip fill, accentuating my lips. I fill my lips in with MAC Cosmetics Blankety Lipstick. I give my lips a nice finish using Too Faced Lip Plumper Gloss. Moving on to mascara, I build my lashes by going out then up with the wand. Using the same tactic, I build my lower lashes. And that's a wrap, honeys. Hey loves, I hope you enjoyed that little makeup tutorial. I think it was really fun to film this. The makeup turned out super good with that little shine right there, the lips on point, everything's like gorgeous. I love it. Now, thank you for watching this YouTube video. If you like more of these videos, please consider checking out some of my other makeup tutorials or some of my other transgender topics. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember to like and subscribe, hit those comments in the comment section, hit the notification bell to never miss a video, and give us super thanks if you're feeling extra. This has been Nikki Chanel, and I will see you on the next video.